Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right, email me if you need something, and you can always contact me on Facebook too. Okay, I like to do just review videos of a lot of things, and in this case, I'm going to talk about the mighty LIVEGOOD. Okay, what is LIVEGOOD? Okay, what do they sell? What's the rub? Why are they so darn successful? How come we're still signing up 2,500 people a day? Okay, and we're only 2 years old and 4 days. I got to look at my calendar. Okay, December 13th, 2022, LIVEGOOD said, ready, set, go. Let's be an affiliate-based company. Okay, so we're an affiliate. You can earn money. We have products. Okay, now, here's why, in my opinion, LIVEGOOD, it's hard to deny that this is ingenious. Okay, just a little bit about my background. I've been presented every opportunity known to man and woman under the sun and the moon. When it comes to online marketing, it could be direct network marketing or MLM, whatever. Okay. I wasn't, clear back a year and a half ago, I joined LIVEGOOD about March of 2023. I wasn't looking for an online business. I just wanted the products. Okay. So after about 2, 3, 4 months of buying the products, I become an affiliate. And that's where, okay, now here's the review. And this is a couple costs that you can look up anywhere. If you want to just go to livegood.com, guys, you can shop just like at walmart.com. Matter of fact, if you go to Walmart and go in their search little section, type in LIVEGOOD, one word, and you can buy LIVEGOOD products, but they're going to be retail priced. Okay. Walmart's got to make some money. They got a big overhead, don't they, with their billion stores? Okay. So if you want to be a member where you get wholesale pricing, okay, dramatic difference. You pay $10 a month, $9.95. You get 5 cents, get 5 cents back. So if you have a $10 bill, oh my God, you get that nickel back. Okay. $10 a month. You're a member and you can just shop till your heart's content. All right. So the $10 a month is kind of similar to Costco, where you pay a membership and you go inside Costco. Pay a membership, watch Netflix videos. Okay. Go to Amazon, and let's just use Amazon Prime, where you pay a flat fee each month, get free shipping and some other benefits. Okay. LIVEGOOD is styled more or less after Amazon. Sure, we have some good products for sale, and you guys, I'm going to show you how you can look up all the products, and you can look up the pay plan. We'll go over that real quick. But the nice thing about LIVEGOOD is you don't have to buy any products to earn commissions. Okay, so when you hear affiliate, like, oh, I'm an affiliate, what does that mean for LIVEGOOD? It means that you're a member for $10 a month, and you do a one-time fee of $40, two $20 bills. You got 4 tens? I don't know, maybe you got a handful of fives and some nickels, dimes, and quarters. But guys, it is $40, not a penny more, a penny less. That is for life. It's like one of these bad tattoos I got about 40-something years ago. And they're fading, by the way. So, pretty affordable, right? I think so. For $49.95, you can join LIVEGOOD now if you're not already in it. $49.95, $40 is the one-time fee to get your own website, capture page. I'll show you all this, okay? Customer service, all the products, they're shipped, they're handled. All right, even all the products that we sell, you get 3 months, 90 days to use all the products all the way empty. And if you don't, I don't know, if you're not happy, you don't have that result, or you're just broke and you go, God, I need my money back. I got to pay some bills. Guys, you have 90 days, 3 months, okay? So if you buy today, today's what? Almost, well, it's December. I got to look again. December 17th is when I'm making this video. Guys, I'm deep into 2025 by the time I even have to give back, let's say, my CBD oil here. Okay, if I buy this, I get it in a couple days in the mail. Okay, if you're in America, the United States Post Office does all of our shipping with tracking. Okay, if you're outside of America, DHL International, Canada, Mexico, clear over to the UK. We're building distribution centers all over the world because we didn't know we were going to be having 200 and something countries in our organization already. 1.7 million people almost signed up as members and affiliates. Guys, we just turned 2 a couple days ago. All right, $15 million of wholesale products being sold per month. If we are retail, times that number by 5 to 10. All right, $100 million company every 30 days. If we were a retail or an MLM where you're forced to buy products, And of course, you jack the products up because you want your downline, your upline, your sideline, the owners. You want everybody to have Lamborghinis and big buildings and all that stuff, okay? Live Good is not about that. We're a company where you buy our products, and if you have a gym or an Amazon store, you can sell Live Good products. This is like 10, 12 bucks. Sell it for 40. Everyone else does. And this is the best ingredients. We even have a 1,500 milligram bottle for just a couple bucks more. Okay, and I'll show you where you can look up all our prices and our ingredients and the seals of approval. Everything is 100% flat up, just like you go to Vegas and there's some blackjack tables where all the cards are dealt up. I think that's kind of cool. That's why I enjoy this company. That's why I was buying these products before I wanted to become an affiliate. Okay? I recommend that you try the products because then you're not embarrassed. You'll wear a Live Good hat or a shirt. Okay? You're not going to go, God, I'm in a company and people are going to laugh at me or something. You don't get that with Live Good. Not when it comes down to the baddest products on planet Earth, and we're wholesale focused. We're wholesale based. Guys, for 10 bucks a month, what a deal. And if you got that 40 buck one-time little cha-ching, guys, to earn money, you got your own website, customer servicing, returns, all the nonsense, support at livegood.com. Let them handle everything. You just get real good. And I recommend this. Get yourself just a business card. I went to Vistaprint for about 25 bucks plus shipping. So for about 30 bucks, I got a big old box of cards. They're this. That's exactly what they look like. Where's my webcam? See how easy they are? All right, I just picked a red background with a little sports car. Then I bought joincory.com for 11 bucks from GoDaddy. All I do is invite people to a video. And I'm going to show you. This is so simple, guys. If you join me, I'm going to tell you exactly what I do. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to give you an email of exactly what I do. I want you to copy what I do. Because what I'm doing has gotten me to 27 out of 1.7 million people in the company. I have no doubt in a year I'm going to be top 10. Okay? Let me just show you. So, joincory.com. Follow along with me, okay, guys? And thank you for watching my videos, like I said. Okay, I need to shrink my face down here. I'll probably just hang out at the bottom right. Okay, when you go to joincory.com, why don't I just show you that first? This is what I want you to do, and this is what I want you to tell people to do when you join and you're an affiliate. I want you to get your own domain name. Mine is joincory.com. I have GoDaddy for free forward to this. This is called the Live Good capture page. Okay? Right there in blue. You're going to have your own username. See where I highlighted that? You're going to have your own. The only difference is, see that little middle there where it says Cory Draper's website? You can put whatever name you'd like. Okay? I recommend putting your personal name because people know it's your website, your page. People join people in Live Good. It's really up to you on how you want to market. I recommend branding yourself. And I don't mean you have to go spend $1 billion and try to be Paris Hilton, but I'm just saying, if you can just be yourself and talk about experiences and storytell and just say, guys, my name is Cory Draper. Please go to joincory.com. And if you'd like to email me, go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. And if you want to look me up on Facebook, just go ahead and go to the search engine, type in Cory Draper, and guys, you can't miss me. Okay? You'll find me very easy on the mighty Facebook too. So you watch this video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And it tells you about the products and the opportunity, everything you need to know. And it's hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. If people don't want to do anything with Live Good, never to be seen again, they delete this email and they go, I don't know, to Amazon, or they go shopping on eBay for crazy stuff to put on your walls like I have in back of my webcam here. Now, if you want some information about Live Good once a day, a nice email, put in your name here and your email address. You're going to get one email per day for 30 days. Live Good does that for you. I recommend you keep the emails because if you email people, guess what? You can take those emails of Live Good and use them, learn from them. Emails are highly effective on recruiting people, just letting people know to go to this exact page here, put your name in, put your email in. Now, if you want to reserve your position, it doesn't mean you've signed up yet. It just means, hey, you're in the system. And if you go to your email from Live Good, you can just go halfway down, click the button to join. You're going to go to a page, put in a username, your address where you want, your products shipped if you want to buy some Live Good products, Put in, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. We even accept cryptocurrency. There's a lot of countries out there that they just don't have banks on every corner like me here living in Salt Lake on the bottom of Mount Olympus here in Salt Lake, okay? So now what I recommend you do when you go to the Live Good website, okay, I recommend you go look at the products. Okay, here we are right now. Just hit the products tab, and I want you to look at all of our products. Hit the little rectangle buttons there. You can see the wholesale price, the retail price, the ingredients, the seals of approval, everything. Plus, we put the competitor's price up. But look at all these great products. Go through every one of them if you'd like. Even go to the bottom. You can get packages, okay? And, of course, some shirts and hats and cool stuff if you'd like. Little hoodie, little beanie cap, because it's wintertime as I make this video. Okay, after you look at the products, go to the FAQ. Do you see right there? FAQ, frequently asked questions. I almost had to cough. Look at all those little questions there. Just click the line and they're answered. Now go to the very bottom of the website or your cell phone. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Do you see it right there on the left of your screen? Click it and you're going to go to this page. We get 7 ways to get paid. Let me phrase it that way. And it's all based on the membership side because you don't buy products to earn money with us. You buy products because you want to and you can afford to. Okay, either as a member or just a retail customer like Walmart, guys. You decide. Take your time. Products are made here in America, fresh. They're awesome. But you see all the ways we get paid here? It's kind of boring, right? Do this. Go down to the bottom. Watch this YouTube video created by Live Good. It explains the opportunity 5,000 times better than reading it on the pages. And say hi to this pretty girl. And you click that button. You guys know how YouTube videos work. Just watch. And if you don't understand the comp plan, just watch the video a couple times. And if you sign up and have people asking you, hey, what's the comp plan? Just do what I do. Invite them to Live Good. Let them go through the products, the FAQ, and the pay plan link. You're not doing anything. You're just going to get real good, get in your own domain, get some business cards if you'd like, and just invite people, guys, okay? I'm happy with Live Good. We're in over 220 countries right now. 1.7 million people will be as a member or an affiliate. Guys, we're only a couple days older than 2, okay? We're on par to probably have anywhere from 20 to 30 to 50 million members and affiliates in this company. Okay, we've only got 1.7 right now, and we are signing up anywhere from 2 to 2,500 people per day, usually right around 60-something thousand per month. That's worldwide. Okay, Asian areas are doing great, guys. I'm talking India to China, Japan, Philippines, South Korea. They're just doing outstanding. All over the UK, France to Germany, England, of course, down below in Mexico for me, up above, what's going on, playing some Canada. They're Canadian hockey up there, right? America's obviously doing well where I live, but guess what? Even in Australia, New Zealand, and of course over in Africa, all those territories just kicking butt. The reason why is because it's based on $10 a month. You can buy the products if you want. You know how much shipping and handling is before you buy because DHL International, the United States Post Office, just links it right there. It's right in front of your face. Click buy if you'd like. Okay? But if you want to be an affiliate, just go to joincory.com. Please, I'll help you. I'll do everything I can to show you exactly what I do, okay? Especially with the signups. I almost have 400. I'm just a few away from 400 people that have signed up just underneath me directly. And I want to help those 4 get 4 to 5 to 10 and so on and so on. There's nothing wrong with having thousands of people in your group. And if you guys can earn money, awesome. If you guys can afford the products and you take them and they make you feel good by putting them in that mouth of yours, let's do it. And remember, you got 3 months. No questions asked. That's one of the best parts about this review, guys. You want to use the products? Great. Buy them again. Be a member. At least save money. You want to earn money? Be an affiliate. $40 one time, guys. And if you don't like the products for whatever reasons, even if you just need money, you love the products, but you need, I don't know, your $50 back. Guys, honestly, no questions. You got 3 months, 90 days. It's hard to beat, okay? All right. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm not shy, guys. I will help you. Cory@corydraper.com. That's my email. On Facebook, just inbox me. And, of course, right here below the videos or just follow my YouTube channel and subscribe. I do a lot of video regarding the mighty Live Good, and I love it, okay? So thanks for the last 15 minutes, guys, okay? Thank you. This was a fun review. Right now, we're just smack dab in the middle of December. Things are going good. The products are there. The opportunity is there. It's not saturated. It's wide open. This is the wild, wild west, guys. This is when you join companies similar to this. The next year or two, that's the, yeah, come. You know, do I need to just, there's a rope. You need to come now. Don't wait a few years and go, gosh darn it. I probably could have had a couple thousand people in my downline. Why did I wait? Okay. It's not because of money. It's $10 a month, guys. Okay. All right. I'll let you go. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you watch some more of these little videos. Okay. God bless YouTube. It's addicting, isn't it? All right, guys. Take care.